Ivy, we're just going to go through and upload this document here, and see. You can see the whole process. That from from having done this, it should be smooth for me. You can let me know where you diverge from this. What I'm showing you here and what you actually experience. To know where the problem lies and why you're unable to get this paper, the document files. Again, this should be real easy going on all the time, and I'm kind of surprised we're having so much trouble with getting this to work. So again, just kind of follow through along and let me know where you're when you go to try to do this, where it diverges from what I'm showing you here. Just take me a minute to get the documents up here. You got Todd watching on here as well. We should get this whole thing recorded for you. I wanted the application number. I thought that would be on this document, but I'm seeing it's not there. That's shouldn't that be right here? It is. Is this the application number? I don't understand. Doesn't look right. So I kind of saw it would be on the top of this. But this is their signed document. Okay. Well, we can do it off of the number there. All right, so let's grab this number. Yeah, this would have, but it wants also the the filing, the confirmation number as well. So, which I don't have that either. So let me just go and go this route. Yeah, go home here, application. We're gonna switch this to attorney docket number. Paste it in there. Get to the confirmation 396. Here. This number. So now I should be able to go discuss submission, add document response, application number in here, confirmation number. And continue. And we're gonna browse the file here, grab the file. I thought I downloaded it. Maybe I didn't. Okay, let's go back. Cancel this for a second. And go back into the documents here. So download this. Yeah, I got it downloaded now. Now I can go back into here, upload the document. This one, open it up. And we're going to tell it it's a, I don't know what we called it before. Do we have the option ADS? Yeah, just an ADS. Okay, so that'd be fine, I think. It's complaining about stuff. It's warnings, that's fine. We're going to continue. We're going to continue past this stuff. And again, we can always save it at any point. But again, there's no fees involved with this. But again, I guess I know when you've uploaded this document here, and then you have the document here, and then you have the save progress, and I don't recall if you had the continue button or not. But if you hit the save progress, and then we were going to go pull that back out of the workbench, I think it's the other way we're looking at this. You'll view the saved submissions. And so we can go over here, find the saved submission. And then again, from here, you should have the review and submit. Now, you're saying you hit this and nothing happened. Again, what's supposed to happen is you hit this, and then, this thing updates, and now you have the ability to go ahead and submit it. Now, it does give me some warnings in here. The fees were not calculated. The attached file contains elements. But you were saying, Ivy, that you didn't have the review and submit button here. And again, the thing is, Ivy, that Pauline does this all the time. And if you're not set up and there's some problem, then we want to know what it is. But again, how does this look different from, what I'm showing you here, what you're able to do? Because I think you also indicated back when you upload the documents, I think you said you didn't have the continue button. So you just have the save product, there's some back button here. And so again, if this is the case, then we'd want to figure out why you don't have this. Again, we can always just submit it ourselves, but I don't understand, since I have Pauline do these all the time, why you're unable to. So if you can just try to see, you said that you didn't, when you hit this, nothing happened. So I don't know if this looks different here with the, yeah, right. So I don't know if like here I see the blue line here, and when I click on this, it's working, and then it switches to that. Now the other thing that can happen on rare occasions is somehow the browser gets a little messed up, and sometimes I have had to, or I called them up USPTO and they said to go log in as in an incognito window, so it's started a new clean. Yeah, but that's kind of rare. But you can do that if you want to rule things out. Again, I'm just trying to, Ivy, to limit this down to: is this something wrong we got in the way your account's set up? So we got to fix that, or is there something wrong with the way the browser and the way you're navigating through this is different than what we're doing? And so again, we have a submit button here once we get to the review and submit. Now on the upload documents page, and again, I showed you step by step how I got here. And again, I don't know if you have different buttons here because you said you have save progress, but I think you indicated didn't have a continue button maybe. But again, this is what I'm looking for is where does, uh, Ivy, where in your, if you go through this video step by step, where, if you follow the same procedure, where does that diverge? That's what I'm looking for feedback on. Again, we can always file this, Ivy, but really should be something you're able to do really easily. So just trying to get to the bottom of it. So let us know. Thanks. And back to, where's this?